Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel Solution for All. In this video, we will know about types of fractions on the basis of denominators. So, fractions are of two types. First one is like fractions and second one is unlike fractions. Like fractions are the fractions where denominator is same, like 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7. In all cases, denominator is 7. So, denominator is same. Such type of fractions are called like fractions. Second one is unlike fractions. In unlike fractions, denominators are different. Like 2 upon 8, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 9. In each cases, denominators are different. So, these are called unlike fractions. Fine. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. I have taken one example here. 2 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8. Here, these both are like fractions. So, how can you add? You will, while adding, denominator is 8. So, we will put denominator here and we will simply add these two numerators. 2 plus 5, that is 7 upon 8. Fine. Now, subtraction of like fractions. I have taken one example. 6 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. So, denominator we will take 7 because denominator is same. And now, 6 minus 2. We will simply subtract the numerators. So, 6 minus 2, that is 4, and denominator 7. So, 6 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7 is equal to 4 upon 7. Addition of unlike fractions. I have taken one example. 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7. These are unlike fractions because denominators are different. So, our first motive should be that we should equalize the denominator. We should make the denominator same. For making the denominator same, what will we do? We will multiply. See, 1 upon 5 is there. We will multiply the second fractions denominator up and down. So, 1 upon 5 plus multiply by 7 upon 7. Fine. First we will do this and second 3 upon 7. Second fraction should be multiplied by first denominator. First denominator is 5. So, up and down 5. Why up and down 5, up and down 7? When we just cancel 7 and 7, we will get 1. So, there is no effect on 1 upon 5. There is no effect of 3 upon 7. But why we are multiplying it by 7 upon 7? Because we want to make the denominator same. For making the denominator same, what we have to do? Now, see. We will get 7 upon 35 here and here 15 upon 35. Now, denominators are same. Our work is very easy. We will simply add the numerators and denominator for one time we will write. So, 15 plus 7, that is 22 upon 35. Fine. I have taken one more example. Here 1 upon 4 and 5 upon 6. So, here what will we do? Another one method is there. You can use that 1 upon 4. You can multiply by 6 upon 6. And 5 upon 6 you can multiply by 4 upon 4. But here we will take one more thing. We can do one more thing. Now see 4 and 6. Now read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. And read the table of 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So, here we can apply the LCM method. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So, we will make the denominator 12. For making the denominator 12, we will multiply 1 upon 4 by 3 upon 3 and 5 upon 6 by 2 upon 2. Fine. Now, we will see that here it is 3 upon 12 and here 10 upon 12. Denominators are same. Simply we have to add numerators. So, 3 plus 10 upon 12, that is 13 upon 12. Fine. subtraction of unlike fractions. Here I have taken one example, 5 upon 8 minus 1 upon 6. So here again we will find the LCM of 8 and 6. If you find the LCM of 8 and 6, just check what is coming. 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. Now 2 2 is 4 and 3. So 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 2 is 24. So what we will do, we will simply make the denominator 24. Here 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, that is 24. So we will make the denominator here 24. For making denominator 24, we will multiply 5 upon 8 by 3 upon 3 and 1 upon 6 by 4 upon 4. Fine. So now check. 5 3s are 15 upon 24 minus 4 upon 24. Now it is very simple. You can simply subtract 15 and 4. 15 minus 4 upon 24. You will get here 15 minus 4, that is 11. 11 upon 24. So by this way you can find the subtraction of unlike fractions. So here we knew that what are the types of fractions. Two types of fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions. Like fractions have same denominator, unlike fractions have different denominators. Then we have seen addition of like fractions, subtraction of like fractions, addition of unlike fractions, subtraction of unlike fractions. So by this way we knew that what are fractions. Fine. I hope you all understood. Thank you so much.